Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use grid drawing. This technique is a fantastic way to achieve accurate proportions and placement in your artwork. By dividing your reference image and drawing surface into a series of squares, you can tackle complex subjects one small section at a time. It's like solving a puzzle, making the entire process much more manageable and less intimidating for artists of all skill levels. To begin, you'll need to prepare your reference image and your drawing surface. On your reference, draw a grid using a ruler, making sure each square is precisely the same size, perhaps 1 inch by 1 inch. Then, on your drawing paper, create an identical grid, ensuring the number of squares matches your reference. If your drawing will be larger, scale up the size of each square proportionally, for example, 2 inches by 2 inches. Now for the drawing itself. Pick a square on your reference image and focus solely on the lines and shapes contained within it. Then, transfer only those elements into the exact corresponding square on your drawing paper. Don't try to draw the entire image at once. Instead, work square by square. This method helps you observe small details and ensures that each part of your drawing is accurately placed relative to its neighbors. After you've transferred all the elements from your reference image, it's time to refine your artwork. Carefully erase the grid lines from your drawing, ensuring you don't smudge your work. Then, you can begin adding the intricate details, shading, and textures that will give your drawing depth and realism. Take a moment to step back and view your piece from a distance, making any final adjustments to proportions or values.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.